Okay, so while we have the door panel off, which is, we're gonna play with this mirror. So took this one screw out, and it looks like it locks here. I grabbed it from the bottom. It didn't give me any problems, but you might break it if you don't know where to pull. You see how large those clips are? So it was nice to me because it's 60 degrees in February. You see? So it's got some play to it, but got it, you know where it is. Put something on the side of it and try to pop it out. And now it reveals 3 10 mils. See them? See them? 1, 2, 3. Now this one doesn't have the blinkers. I assume these 2 other cavities would be if you had the blinker. This one does not. This is a base model, so let's see. Let me show you. See? No blinker. I doubt it has heated, maybe. I mean, this isn't, what is this thing, a 17, 19? This is a 19. So maybe they come with it. That's probably what the other 3 or 2 cavities are, but undo this, and there you go. And you swap her out. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.